Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for a business loan on Twoguysfinance. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to go to Twoguysfinance's website, and you're going to click on business loans. Now you're going to need to review the different business loans options and just find the one that best suits your specific business need. And once you've chosen that, you're going to click apply now, and you will need to fill out the online application form. Now together with the form, you're going to need to provide the required documentation. That could be business financials and tax returns documents. Now once that's done, you're going to review and agree to the business loans term and conditions. You got to make sure that you review that carefully. And once that's reviewed, you just want to receive a business loan decision from Twoguysfinance. Now if that's approved, you're going to review and sign the loan documents. And once that's done, just close on your business loan and you're going to receive the funds in your account. And you can use Twoguysfinance online banking platform or its mobile app to manage your business loan payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how to apply for a business loan on Twoguysfinance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the